take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we are headed to the beach. It's 9:29 a.m. y'all. I did not comb my hair. I just kind of do so and put it up in one because it's going to get wet anyways. But yeah, we are headed to the beach. It's a Thursday, so we'll check it out and see how everything's looking. If it's safe, we'll be going on the beach today. So yeah, I will take you guys with me. I already made lunch. I made the tilapia fillets that it is selling in the grocery. I made that with bake, and we didn't have no greenery, so I just did what you call it, onions and tomatoes with a bit of cheese, which you will see in this clip coming. Okay, so I finished mixing this here. I have my bake. I'm going to fry it now, and yeah, I'm going to leave this to marinate for like about 15 minutes because it's tilapia, so it soaks up all the seasoning and everything quick. And I have my flour here. I'm just going to add some black pepper and some Old Bay seasoning to this here, and go ahead and fry it in some oil. I got so caught up in frying the bake that I let the fish oil burn, so I'm just going to put on the camera and get it. Okay, also our lunch is ready. It's kind of a little dark, but it's not burnt, I promise you. Fish and my bake, it's nice and soft and fluffy. And I don't have any lettuce, so these are my veggies, and I work with some cheese. Yeah, so that's our lunch for today. So we are headed to the beach. Baby girl is watching her cartoon on her tablet. So yeah, I'm taking you guys with me, even though I'm looking a bit scruffy, but that's okay. the beach, y'all. My beach bun. Y'all, I miss this. I don't even know if Ollie will be hearing me because the waves are crashing so loud. But Ollie, I miss this. I miss the beach. I miss the atmosphere on the beach. I miss this. Y'all, we are going to spend the entire day here because we don't know when we're coming back. What are you building? So we just finished. My hair was completely drenched in sand, but it was worth it. I enjoyed the beach today. It was lovely. The weather was perfect. The temperature of the water, it wasn't freezing cold. You know, there's some water that bites you. This one was like perfect. The atmosphere was good. Everybody was social distancing, even in the water. I mean, I felt safe enough. Yeah. So I am going to end this vlog here. Emily's drinking some tea and I'm pretty sure as we drive off, she's gonna knock out as usual. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.